Seriously? Why?
Why do I...
Yes, why?
Why do you think?
Black
is slimming.
Seriously?
I'm in mourning for my life. I'm unhappy.
Wow, okay. Are you that unhappy?
You're an idiot.
Yeah, maybe. But...
What?
Nothing.
What?
Well, okay, my life is worse than yours. So much worse, and you don't see me wearing black. Well, okay, I mean, yes, all right, sometimes yes, but it's not like a thing. Jesus, my life is way worse than yours, you know?
And how is that even possible?
I'm poor.
I'm poor.
I'm way poorer and lonely and, sad most of the time. And I tutor kids for tests I utterly don't believe in, which is just in insane
I'm a
ways.
cook. Part-time, that's not even a real job anymore. I mean, what is this, Downton Abbey? I can't even...
Well, I have flat feet, which, hurt all the time.
Well, I have this really
Plus,
bad...
I'm an orphan. So that's, unsettling.
Okay, what are we, in a fucking Dickens novel?
And I'm unhappy in love. I'm unhappy in love. I mean, you know I love you ridiculously, and you, barely tolerate me. But mostly I'm really, really poor. Lonely, scrawny, and odd. I'm sorry, but that's actually much harder than mourning your lost, lonely, broken, whatever.
Oh.
But I'm still, hopeful. I still have hope,
Wow. Hope. You can still be happy and be poor,
Yeah?
Yes.
No. So, when is Conrad's thing starting?
Soon.
What is it exactly?
It's a site-specific performance event.
What is a site-specific performance event?
It's kind of like a play, but not so stupid.
Stupid?
Yeah, no one's pretending to be someone else.
Then what do they do?
They behave, they say and do things or whatever, but no one's pretending to be fucking Bob or Trudy, like fucking 5-year-olds playing house. It goes deeper than that, It's art!
And Nina is in it, right?
Yes.
It's nice that Con and Nina can connect that way. That she can be part of his creation. Part of his work, that they have that in common. That they can connect.
Can you shut the fuck up, okay, for just a second? Can you do that,
Okay.
please?
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry, I can't. I can't, okay?
I know. It sucks.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. See you at the thing.
I wrote this. It sucks, but don't judge. You're born, and then you live, and then you die. You never get to know the reason why. You breathe and then you don't just begun. You're hot, you rot, and then you're done. So where's a part of this that's fun?